What's up guys, my name is Dwayna aka Glamazon1026 and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be doing a mini tutorial, which means you'll learn a new skill in less than 5 minutes. We're going to be learning how to add a pop of color under your lash line. So if this is something that interests you, if this is something that you think you'd want to learn how to do, stay tuned. If you guys have been here for a while, you know that I usually just replicate what's on top in reverse on the bottom for the lower lash. Adding a pop of color can just take your look like over the hill. So let's say you're at 100, adding a pop of color will take you to like 150. It'll take you like 200. So today we're going to do this really cute pink eye, and I'm going to show you how to get your lower lash line to pop like this. Today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 350 as an eyeshadow primer. I'm going in with the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette, picking up Unicorn Tribe on this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna place that in my outer corner and up through the crease. Then I'm picking up the Carity Beauty Rosé All Day palette and going in with Sunday, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges of Unicorn Tribe. Now with my flat shader, I'm going back into the Carity palette and picking up Fizz to go in the front portion of the eye. There are a few things you can use to make your lower lash line pop. You can put in colored liners in your waterline. You could use the NYX Wonder Pencil. This is what I usually use in the shade medium. If you're a little bit lighter than me, you can use the shade light, and you can just go right where your lashes are, and in your waterline you can line it with this, or back in the day we used to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to get that lash line to pop, or you can use an eyeshadow primer. Today I have the ABH eyeshadow primer. There's only one shade that it comes in, and it is like, it's white with like a pink undertone. I just have a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I'm taking this small cylindrical brush and I'm just gonna tap it out on the back of my hand and just put it right up against my lash line. Now I'm going to take a really small brush, and I'm picking up Texas Made in the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette. If you've already done your face, you don't want too much fallout, so make sure you tap it off and then just press that into your lower lash line and on your waterline. I used a paper towel to wipe most of the pigment off of this, and I'm just gonna run it under here to kind of blend it out. And the last step for this is to use some mascara to make your lower lash line really pop. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you learned something today. You know I love our little 5-minute tutorials, and if you guys loved it as well, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.